Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. This is the strategy I have published in 2013, and basically the concept was very simple. I was trying to trade with the direction of the trend, and, and day by day, by trading this strategy I have developed some insight, and today I will discuss some of the trade and some of the process I follow when I start trading each week. First I go to the let's discuss about gbpjpy. What's actually happened? gbpjpy in weekly chart, I have seen price went up. EMA direction is still bearish, went up and went down, went up, and before this week price was below 20 and 6 EMA. RSI was below 50, and our 3 and 26 EMA MACD was down. If we draw some structure, it would be like this. It would be like this. This is our high, this is our low of the week, previous low of the week, previous low, previous monthly open of the week. Okay, I have drawn this from weekly chart. Then I'll go to daily chart. Remember, our week started here. I have seen this is a this level worked as a support, and this level worked as a resistance for a few times, and price was trying to move lower, but it fails a couple of times. And previous week Friday move was around rejected this low. So EMA direction was down. EMA direction, MACD direction, and other indicator direction was down. Yes, so basically if price started to move lower, I would love to trade. I would love to sell, since we are trying to trade with the direction of the trend. Then let's go to the weekly chart. Our week started here. This is our weekly open line, and price did not go below the weekly open line. Price started to move higher, one candle, two candle, three candle higher, and first close above 21 EMA, second close, third close, fourth close. If 2 or 3, 4 candle close above the 21 EMA, in the H1 chart, I look for buy setup, so that I can trade with the direction of the higher time frame. In this case, 4-hour chart. We know that this is our level and this is our level. If we buy, our target will be around there. If we sell, in this case I will not sell because it is prices above weekly open line, and MACD direction was switch to the upside, in this candle, okay, in this area. MACD direction switch upside. Let's go to our H1 chart. gbpjpy Monday. I have traded this trade, and I have traded this. My stop loss was around there. I have to small profit there, but anyway, there is no trade here actually. And Monday was our bullish day. And Tuesday open line was there. Price was moving below Tuesday open line. There was no buy or sell trade, since price was below the open line. Price was below the open line. There was no since our bias is our bias is buying side, because this candle was previous day candle was bullish, and as long as this low, previous day low, is not broken, as long as previous day is not broken, we will try to buy, we'll try to trade with the direction of the each daily chart. It could move up to 50% of lower to 50%, but it didn't. Anyway, it was our bias. And Wednesday price, from the beginning of the day, Asian session, in the Asian session, price broke outside high of the previous day, and it started to move higher. It could be our possible trade here. Should be our possible trade. If we miss this trade, in that case we could enter, we could place a stop loss, and we could place a buy pending order here. Our stop loss would be below this, and that could be a possibility. But anyway, if we in front of our screen, we could have opened this trade, but it is an Asian session, most of us may not be traded this time. In that case, if we would have traded this, our stop loss would be around there, and it could be our stop loss is around there, 100 or 200 pips, and our target, we will target 1 to 2 or 3, depending on the backtest result. You could decide how much target in your trading pair. Anyway, another day started, price rejected 21 EMA, and price broke up above 6 EMA. Was normal buying setup, but we would not buy it because this is a monthly open line here, and this was below daily open line, the daily open line. And if we price goes up, price rejected this level, we could have buy there. This could be our entry, this could be our entry, or we could place our trade here in this area above this bearish candle. We could have placed our buy stop order. Our stop loss would be there, 100 pips, and from this trade we did not get much. This is how we should trade with the day trade setup. And last week in gbpjpy we had two opportunity, and actually we have two opportunity. Another opportunity, we could buy here, break of this structure, we could have buy here, our stop loss should be there. This also another good opportunity, could have make few pips profit. And another opportunity, yes, in Friday we had a loss. This 2-3 setup was profitable, but this was a loss because price rejected, price gold shoot up and price move lower. In the pullback, we could have buy here, we could have buy in this trade, in this candle, and price did not go up. Actually, price moved, stopped out. And if we enter another trade here, we should not do that. But if we enter another trade, that also loss, because it means there is a loss. In this kind of situation, we should draw upper and lower side of the range, and unless any side of until unless break this box, until unless price breaks this box, we should not trade, should wait. Since price break this box lower, and it was end of the day, if you can tell, you should not open any trade here. So overall, GBP JPY 1 hour chart trading last week was good so far. But if let's look at GBP USD pair. Let's delete all indicators. Let's delete. How should treat GBP USD trading last week? Price was below EMA, MACD and RSI. It is general bias that we try to buy here. Our weekly bias is buy, as long as price stay above the weekly open line. Try to buy. This is our bias, weekly bias. If we come on daily chart, and we see that price is moving higher. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This was our starting of the week, and previously price rejected this area, but it is in the EMA zone. Our general bias will be to move higher in this week, and it could move lower, but we'll focus on daily weekly open line, how it moves. It is price moving above the weekly open line or below the weekly open line? Since we have a concept that our concept is, if price trade above weekly open line, it is general bias that price will move higher. If price move below weekly open line, our general bias will be will try to trade low, we try to sell. In 4-hour chart, we have seen price close above 21 and 6 EMA, another it comes below, and generally if we see this 3 candle, we'll usually will think that price will start to move sideways, because up was above 21 EMA, close was below 21 EMA, up was above 21 EMA. This is a sideways market. Anyway, it was general expectation, and we have marked this is a high. Daily chart, if we go to the daily chart, in daily chart we have a level here, we have a level here. This is a general level. Price has rejected this level, this area. If price started to move higher, price may go there. In daily chart, we have this level, prices rejected twice in this area. Okay, that was our general understanding. And 4-hour chart, we are seeing that prices probably started to move sideways. We don't know yet, but we have seen 1 2 3 4, around 4 candle price moved higher. In this kind of situation, we will start to look for buying opportunity in each one time frame from here. And since there is a structure here, price will not probably I will try to see how price reacted in this structure, and how our target should be there, and I will look at this kind of area, how I will read in this price. I will try to read the price in this area. But our general structure and general bias was develop in H4 chart is bullish. Now I will go to 1 hour chart, and last 1 2 3 4 5, this was our Monday. Our bias was, this was our bullish day. Our bias was bullish, and this is a setup we could have opened, since it rejected this area and recover. It is kind of v-shape, uh, v-shape v-shape recovery. And if we open this buy trade, it would have been a at least 1 hour profit. Could have get at least 1 hour profit here. 1 hour profit, and price started to move sideways. We may close there with less than 1 hour maybe. Another trade we could have opened here with the breakout of this high. It would have been a loss trade. Actually, it hit our stop loss. Our stop loss should be below this or below this there. Anyway, well, wherever we place our stop loss, below this candle or below the swing, both stop loss would be hit in this trade. It would be a loss trade. Since loss trade, price was moving sideways, we would have not should not trade this sell side trade. And price again move higher. Again, price started to move higher to this area. If we mark this area, price rejected this area. Price rejected this area with two candle, and we could have two candle. If there is a doji candle and it rejected this area, we could have open a buy stop here. We could have open a buy stop here. This would be at least 2 hour profit from this trade. 2 or 3 hour profit could be a possibility. And actually, this is only GBP trade is possible in previous week. Possible profitable trade. This would be a only profitable trade here last week. Another losing trade, it would be a losing trade here. It was obvious trade, we should have opened trade, and since price was above 6 EMA and below 21 EMA and above 21, should not open a trade here Friday. And since our 4 hour chart direction was 3-2 candle was not 21, so our direction, buying side direction is not switchy yet, so we would not open any buy trade here. Okay, let's remove everything. Let's go to the gold chart, see how gold move. Actually, gold was mass. Gold was this week would move very sideways. We could have lost few trade, two or three trade here in H1 chart. Stop trading gold because this market is sideways. And when we understand sideways market, price is close above 21 EMA, below 21 EMA, above 21 EMA. In those cases, we try to mark the low mark the recent high and low unless price break out of this range with a proper momentum. Will not trade this pair, will keep it there. we would have lost one or two trade there, and we will patiently wait, and when the opportunity comes we'll trade this and recover those losses with the data setup. I think that's a general idea how I approach market, and how people should trade data setup strategy. And of course you could apply your skill, your price action reading skill, your analytical skill, your chart pattern skill, as well as candlestick pattern skill, and your remember price move with the direction, and price move in a sideway. We will try to trade when the price move with the direction. That means we will try to trade the trending market, because we know moving average work very well in a trending market. It's a trending market too, and in a sideway market we'll try to avoid trading, and this is the condition where we should avoid trading with our skill. And it is very observable. Next week we'll try to see how price react above our weekly open line, and according to that we'll shape our thinking and our reading style. And currently we are seeing that a trend line, possible trend line is forming. If price breaks below trend line, we could trade this is a good range, good amount range, around 200 pips range. We would have trade this, but we have to be careful because this is a sideway market. In a sideway market, momentum fade out. When a momentum candle come, and a lot of traders trade against the momentum, they try to trade the range. So this is how we should trade, and I hope you understand uh, understand the data setup. And if you have any comment, please do so, and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more video from my side. And that's all. Thank you.